how to create a dot pattern in Affinity Photo, PC or Mac. Go to the Layer menu and down to New Pattern Layer and set the value to 500 by 500. Click OK. Go to the Tools panel and select the Ellipse tool and set the fill to pink, green, whatever you want. And then apply it. And apply it over the design. Make it slightly smaller than the pattern layer, so something like 300 by 300. It needs to be a pixel layer. So go to Layer menu and Rasterise. It needs to be rasterized, so there. And you can see now you've got pixel and you've got pattern. You can go to the Move tool and you can select both. So select both. Now it's not aligned properly, so just go up here to the alignment tools. And I'm just going to go with this one, center and middle. And you can see now it's aligned nicely. Go to Layer menu and down to Merge Selected, and that will turn it into a pattern layer. So Merge Selected, and you can see now you've got this edge around the pattern, this dot. And you can resize it, and you can see your dot pattern. Move it back and forth. You can rotate it, but you can also hold down the Alt Option key and duplicate this design. So you can create a nice design there as well. So you've got two possible options there. But also, of course, you can always recolor it. Go to Layer and down to New Adjustment Layer and down to maybe HSL. So with HSL, change that and you can see what happens. They all become blue, which perhaps you don't want. But you can select that in the Layers panel, just drag it down, and as you do that, you'll see what happens. It just, between the pattern and the text, and you can see now what's happened. You've got the blue and you've got the pink. And you can select both of those and you can resize both of them and also rotate the design and much, much more. Hope you found this tutorial of interest. Any questions, please let me know in the comments below. Always great to hear from you. Thank you much.